This is my daughter's 110 ATV. Gave me problems, wouldn't start. Ran through a small puddle of water, and I'm pretty heavy. And I was on it, but it wouldn't start. Wasn't getting no spark to the ignition, pulled the spark plug out. That was the problem. Fully charged battery. It's a 2015, and it would just spin. But I looked around online, and I fished for about an hour. And come to find out, it's a small little plug right here. It should be pushed all the way in and tight. So I pushed it in, turned it to the right. It's real tight. Turned the ignition on, fired right up. I figured that a puddle of water just couldn't stop an ATV from running. I see kids online all the time, riding in the snow, mud. But that was it. So now it works. Remote start. Firing right up. They will drive on their own sometime. So be careful. I try to keep the emergency brake on sometime and push it down and lock it. Do it simultaneously at a lock. It'll keep the vehicle from taking off on its own. I have it set at a moderate speed for a small little girl. But for the most part now, I'm running. No one had this video posted on YouTube, so maybe I'll start there. So if you're heavy and your big butt got on it and knocked that switch out, it won't crank. I did the regular test, took the spark plug out, grounded it to the to the body, to the motor. Nothing. It was getting no fire, but it was spinning. Called the place where I got it. They told me it needs a new starter, not the starter. So, you folks seem to have a problem. Troubleshoot head first is right up under the back seat at the back of the bike. This piece right here. And you should be okay. Because this thing is a 2015. And I didn't research it enough, but somebody told me these things are really cheap. And I paid $700, and $700 ain't cheap. I would have rather spent a little bit more and got her a better one, but for the most part, she has fun on it. She's a kid. I'm a dad. And this is what we do. So, have trouble starting, this is what you need to do. Start there first, at least. Bye, YouTube.